Pan-seared fish, finished into ahi tuna tostada. Make sure to grab a sashimi or sushi grade ahi tuna. Pat your fish dry, make sure to season, into a pan over medium heat. Allow that to come up to temperature. Go ahead and sear one side. On this tuna, you can see as it's being cooked, it's changing color from bottom to top. Flip it over, keep it a nice medium rare on the inside. We're gonna now prep some ingredients for our tostada. Going down with some fresh lime. We're just gonna cut that in half using the F&Sharp utility knife. Then we're gonna cut it into quarters and then into eighths. Now an avocado, cutting around that pit on the inside, give it a twist. Go ahead and peel the skin off. Then we're gonna just do a simple dice on this avocado. You can see the striations in this fish in particular. We're gonna go ahead and cut against that to begin with. Turn it 180 degrees, cut perpendicular against the first cuts that you made. We're just gonna dice up this ahi tuna after it's been rested for about 5 to 7 minutes. After it's diced up, go ahead and set that aside. We're just gonna continue with our ingredients. Now working on some green onions, aka scallions. Lob off just a little bit of the top. Once that's even, we're just gonna go on a diagonal, cutting some nice bias cut green onions. A little bit for presentation there, doesn't hurt. You've seen me dice an onion many times over. If you've forgotten, or if this is your first time, just go ahead and visit fnsharp.com for more. To finish this dish, we're going in with all of our ingredients into a bowl, some ahi tuna, the red onions, the fresh avocado, scallions, fresh squeezed lime juice, and in the background there, that is some chili crisp. It adds a ton of flavor. Go ahead and give it a good mix, then pile it as high as you'd like on a nice tostada. You can garnish with chili threads if you have it. If not, enjoy as it is, and make sure to visit fnsharp.com.